Let me tell you about my mistake while unyellowing shoes. So I saw this video on YouTube and I tried it for myself. It's hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Welcome to my channel. I'm HJ. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Every single comment said all I need to do is do hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, leave it overnight, and I tried it and it was a fail. So I did Sol Bright. Sol Bright says you need to leave it in the sun. I did that and look at this. It was absolutely perfect. Then I got a few comments.
But wait! There's more!
The commenters were really nice and they pretty much said you need to put this in the sun also. So I went ahead and I did the whole thing over again, but this time after putting plastic wrap on it, I put it in the sun for about 4 hours. I washed the shoes off and here you guys can see the side-by-side comparison. Baking soda and peroxide is cheaper and less toxic, but the Sol Bright is still better. I think I would have to do this one more time with baking soda and peroxide to get the whiteness that Sol Bright provides. Please like and subscribe. Also check out how crusty that back heel is. I didn't do anything to the back heel. Overall, Sol Bright still does win, but baking soda and hydrogen peroxide is a cheap, quick, and effective method. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Go ahead, drop a comment, tag somebody, let me know what type of videos you'd like to see next. Thank you so much, and as always, happy creating.